So the first thing we're asked to do when we create an assessment using the Add Assessment tool is we're going to be asked to create the settings, or to modify the settings for our test. So of course the instructions is do your best, as always. Do you want your assessment to have a time limit? Of course, that's up to you. Would you like your questions to be randomly ordered? That kind of depends if there's chunks of questions that go together or not. And then would you like the points to show next to each question? Again, that's up to you. I'm not going to change those. I'm just going to leave them as they are. The assessment toolbar, would you like your students to kind of flag questions for review? And I'll choose yes for that. And I think sometimes being able to eliminate an answer choice is also nice. I'll go ahead and select a yes for that, just if anything to see what it does. Can students choose a calculator? I'm going to go ahead and choose a scientific calculator for my students to use, just more than anything, so you can see what it looks like when we get there. And would you like them to use a ruler during the attempt? And sure, why not? I'll make it a 6-inch ruler. I'll give them the option to use a protractor, and these are, of course, on the math things. And I'll give them an option to use a speech text reader during the test, and give them the option to highlight text as they're reading, and actually to take notes. And these are all the things that are inside the testing environment. Do you want to allow your students to view results after an attempt is submitted? So this is one of those tricky things. This is up to you. If it's formative, it wouldn't bother me. But again, I'm thinking that this is for a grade. You might not want to let other students see it or see their work until after the due date is passed. So I'll leave that as no right now, and I can come back and change that later. And how many attempts do you want them to take? There is no unlimited on this. The most is up to 20 times. If they get over 20, my goodness gracious. So I'm going to click on Save. And in the next video, we will start adding questions, and those questions that can be graded automatically for us.